Them say Shorty they with Vybz Kartel enemy. Who a Vybz Kartel enemy? Why she sleep with Alkaline? Now Shorty can get the award of Yamed for the century.
She's not a fussy girl, you know. Yeah, come remember, everybody want dress like Wh0r, like Uno. You know what I mean? Yeah. No fun when I say I come out, I go for this one no more. But when I go up on a page, I see someone a sufferer, on a hungry. If you're in my league, you can't warn me.
Sure.
The younger person with the forward near to Cartel was my father. Some father would not see nobody, man. We don't see people, man. You have to do it, not to see it.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video, we will hear a man talking about Shorty and Vybz Kartel, why she gave him bun. Also, Cartel run out and diss them for Sidem, defend her wicked. And he also says some man in a league, and we want to find out who is Vybz Kartel's enemy. Because the man say Shorty fuck Vybz Kartel enemy. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a very interesting video. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Stay tuned. I was watching a clip on this Wh0r3 channel, and there's this guy that came out and was saying in a fear what Cartel do, because Jamaican men, according to him, Jamaican men are unfair because what Cartel do and what Shorty do in a fear because he sleep with Lisa. According to the man, he called me, mentioned Spice, Gaza, Indio, and a bag of other people, and he must say I just want somebody Shorty sleep with, which is the enemy. Now he also mentioned that the enemy allegedly was Alkaline, and it got me thinking. Alkaline dropped the song with you. Take a girl, man. And I said, but like, I don't know, maybe I just me. But check this out, listen to what I say.
I get to understand say Shorty and Lisa Hype know them one another long time. That's why Vybz Kartel cling to Lisa Hype, because Lisa Hype was always around before the fame. So with Cartel, go there with Lisa Hype and the video, they go leak and thing and thing. Wanna think Shorty I go feel good, bro, about that? Which woman wouldn't feel good about that? And then Vybz Kartel carry on. I remember, you know, Vybz Kartel even married to one white woman. Yo, the bro, my girl is the truth. Because Shorty been through a lot. Right now, Shorty can get the award of Yamed for the century. May I tell you, if there is a award to be issued for Yamed for the century, I can tell you, Shorty is a good nominee. Yeah, we now look on that. And probably Vybz Kartel now look into that. Sometimes we as a man, we have to can look into things too, you know. Why she sleep with Alkaline? Why Vybz Kartel sleep with Lisa Hype? Why Vybz Kartel sleep with Spice? Why Vybz Kartel sleep with Indu? And the list goes on and on and on. Why Vybz Kartel? Look for what Vybz Kartel do, and look for what Shorty get accused for. It minor. What Vybz Kartel do more major, you know, bro. You understand? Bro, come on, like, what Vybz Kartel do Shorty way more intense than what Shorty do. I tell you, say the unfairness of Jamaican men. We love Gibbon and we can't manage it, not even one time. Cause at a point, two Vybz Kartel sing about Shorty, bro, he come like Shorty, like Shorty take a knife and take out him and heart and stab you. No one know that up to Cartel and his baby mother. Okay, stop it there, so we just make a point. You understand? So me just want to understand, like, them say Shorty they with Vybz Kartel enemy. Who a Vybz Kartel enemy? Nobody never wonder these things. Nobody never wonder these things, like who a Vybz Kartel enemy. No, everybody at this Shorty, I mean, I believe say Shorty deserve the blame. Cause nobody still nah be real and say, yo, Vybz Kartel kill Shorty with bun, bro. Like, nobody nah be real and say, yo, Vybz Kartel even go as far and get too much pitney outside of the relationship. Nobody nah talk realness, bro. You understand? And it kind of unfair for Shorty alone. You know, I go through the heat because 3/4 Jamaica are Vybz Kartel fans, and them now go through Shorty over Vybz Kartel, and then now go say eye to eye with Shorty because they're going to be biased. Because them go hold on the fact say, yo, I'm an artist same way, see me? Them go say everything bad pertaining to Shorty, and now go look on the logics of the thing. Because any woman probably would have do what Shorty do. You have a man for years, sit down with 3/4 of your life, you get to this man, Zin, and him give you bun this a certain way. Pre the logics, people, like, yo, how Shorty feel, how Shorty really feel about them thing there. A Cartel soon going back to Shorty. You know, say, to be honest, let me give my opinion on that. Cartel, I go back to Shorty if one thing happen. You see, Vybz Kartel find out what is a white woman, he probably run back to Shorty. Because I don't believe Sidem is an angel. Me doubt that. Me know a woman, me I deal with a woman for years. What is Sidem flaws? Sidem is really too nice. And that's kind of suspicious, that kind of spook me. You see me? For me, as a man, me I deal with a woman and she's 100% nice. That's going to be spooky to me.
Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. Do you think that Cartel and Shorty eventually got their back? You feel like, say, what Shorty do justifiable because of what Cartel used to do her? Let me know what you think. Anyways, gang, we don't know who trouble Vybz Kartel wife. I don't know what them say about them, but Cartel run out and call them all sort of names, style them, tell them say them are hungry, and say everybody want just like we're like Uno. Check this out as someone to defend them woman. But before we get into the clip, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Check this out.
Guys, I need Sean Cartel, yes. This is not for Una. You know where I'm a woman, fiance, and you know, my little son Ikodan. We go Panama, do a little shopping and thing, and you know, have a little vacation and bring my son, as I say. Little added it there as well, but I never really mean him go with. We just happen to be on the same flight, blah blah blah. Yeah, so I really see them. I couldn't go. Alright, you don't know I couldn't give him one. You remember how much money me give him, but it was a lot. And we give them some money to me. I don't know, maybe I say 30,000 US or something along the line, the 28,000. And when we did go shopping, she said, oh, these things are so expensive. And when we said, babes, you have the money. Anything you want, just buy, I got you. You know the most expensive thing she buy? Was a purse, a Gucci purse for my mother. About 2,600 US. That's the most expensive thing she buy. She's not a fussy girl, you know? Yeah, coming by everybody want to dress like Wh0r, like Uno. You know what I mean? Yeah, some people just good with them modest dressing and thing, and she good, you know, anything she want, me give her. So, yeah, and no fun when I say I come here, I go for this one no more, but when I go up on a page, I see someone a sufferer, on hungry. So I'm not going to add insult to injury. You know what I mean? Yeah, because it's no say, babe, my baby is good. Anything she want, I got her. Yeah, man, a rich life, man. Down? Oh, I'm out.
When you hear that, leave the man, woman alone. Yeah, him just address it as someone for defend them woman. Anyways, he went on an interview the other day when Brando we asked him about the whole list of dancehall artists and who are biggest lyricists. But this is at part 6 of it where him ask Cartel about him enemy. Them Cartel say, you can't worry me if you know my name. I remember say, Uncle, I'm going to do a song about them, you know my name. But check this out. You guys know what you think.
Nah, teacher, before you incarcerated, they have whole heap of enemies, in? As in, you different people where you war with along the way, like the ninja man, you and them good after, bounty killer, you and them good after, assassin, you and them good after, Vado and so. But since you're incarcerated, people would say that you are rival with people since you're incarcerated, both artists and vlogger. And some of the people might look forward to see what going to happen now, like how you're out. Any word on that?
No, you wanna know, some man are war with themselves, you know, some man think them are war with me. So it's like you feel an answer by it, you. And you go, son, you just continue the conversation. Just kill a mosquito and we are talk same way. But the mosquito think him do something.
Does that irritate?
Yes, I irritate, no man. You know what I mean? But think about it. If you're in my league, you can't war me.
Sure.
The younger person with the forward near to Cartel was my father. And if you think about it, me and him are fight from the same camp. One alliance, you see me?
So I see him school.
Now, same school. You understand? So
you said people in several classes below you, then you couldn't have no. Right, that makes sense.
Them in a day and more time I go up on our TikTok, I have to laugh and read some things. Cartel and the money and the things. And even from the prison, we will say, we will do a song. A vlogger will label it. Brando this. Vybz Kartel new song. Brando this. Me not call the name in a song Brando, so where him get Brando this from.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So just the clickbait. Right. So like I noticed some father we don't see nobody, man. We don't see people, man. You have to do it, let me see it. Do what the man do, no man.
They missing. Teacher, they missing.
You have someone say them a sell gold and sell this and sell that. We do. Because for that, yeah, I can put out my gold song them when I sell with on Beyonce album. I have gold and platinum when I sell with Rihanna. I have gold and platinum when I sell with Missy Elliott. Then account, man. Where you gold where you sell for yourself then?
So you only count the one you sell for yourself?
You know that alone you see me advertise?
True.
You understand? Because remember, you know, if you do a song with Rihanna, chances are it I go sell gold. If you do a song with Nicki Minaj, chances are it I go sell gold.
True.
The man where they are prisoner and sell the gold and sell the silver. Beat the man then, man.
Do that and beat you. Where's that? Do that and beat you.
Do that and beat the man. Do that and beat him.
Say you are the goat.
Now that me I try to tell you, so more time, because one thing in black people, them live in a most illusion, you know. Them living in the most illusion, you know.
True.
But the numbers is there.
And numbers don't lie.
Numbers not lie, man, no matter how you try to manipulate it. It can't lie. The numbers is there. So you can't compare me to someone and have the numbers for sure. So what are you really comparing? Are your feelings you are comparing?
Yeah.
You're not comparing no facts.
Enough facts. A feelings
bro.
You can't bring feelings come to a fact fight.
No, you can't bring feelings come to a fact fight. Like how you can't bring a knife to a Glock fight. You understand? Your feelings you are comparing. Star, me little nephew about than Cartel, because your nephew, bro. Prove it so when better than Cartel. When standard. Compare the standard.
True.
You know what I mean? Who are talk about him globally? Who are talk about it globally? Where the record them where you sell? Where the numbers them there? Yeah,
where the impact.
That's why where your impact. You ever sing a song about kerchief and the whole world wear kerchief? You ever sing a song about a shoes and the whole world wear the shoes there? You ever come with a style say you full out your hand a tattoo and sleeve and the whole world a tattoo and sleeve? What is it what you do?
What is your claim to fame?
What is your claim to fame?
Than just calling Cartel name.
Other than, see, like a little chihuahua. You just make noise in your yard, man. You just make noise in your yard. You don't know what is the claim to fame. So people, the black people will kill you with feelings and emotions. That's why Cartel will always advance more than enough of them. And even when they are prison, they advance more than most of them. Because, bro, a logic me deal with. When I deal with feelings and emotion, man. A logic me deal with.
I rate that.
Then I feel logic, man. If I feelings and emotion, I'm in a mother prison. Because look how me used to live on the road. Starlight. Now we drop in a cell where it's like a 8x10. If you deal with emotion when a mother out like a bitch.
Judge.
But instead we then in prison and get more rich. But logic I deal with. Oh, me I go get for Vice. Oh my God.
That is it.
Oh, me I go get for
Teacher.
Vice. In my rhythm. Oh, me I go. You understand? So, bro. Now come, you know, miss me with it. Miss me with the emotions and feeling. Start them on the Cartel because what really? When to?
And sometimes I just a conversation sake, and not really nothing substantial.
Yeah. So, but you know, we have to do it, make we see, man. Prove it, man.
Cartel said, do this and beat me. Where is your impact? If I sing a song and everybody start bleach out and change out full of tattoo. Yeah, me agree. Do it and beat him. Sell the gold them from prison. Do it now. Honestly, enough man, if they were gone to prison, they would have just give up on music. But Cartel still push forward and his hard work pay off, and that is why so much people rate him. Globally, Beyonce, Jay-Z asked them, I'll share the room post Cartel the moment in post. So people just in denial, like the DJ know he is who he say he is. But big up yourself, one done, same way. Anyways, dancehall gang, thanks for watching. That's it for now, guys. If it's your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe for the latest updates, and do me a favor, leave a like on this video, subscribe, leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.